I'm attorney Frank Borghese, and today I wanted to talk about frozen bank accounts. It can be extremely scary to discover that your account's been frozen by a creditor, and sometimes it can be very confusing as well if you didn't even know that a judgment existed. And that's something that we often get phone calls regarding, and armed with the information that I'll provide you shortly, hopefully you'll be able to attack the situation in such a way that allows you to save as much money as possible and get your account released as quickly as possible. So first things first, a judgment leads to the frozen bank account. In order to get a judgment, the creditor has to serve you the underlying lawsuit, and assuming that you didn't respond, they got a default judgment from the court. So if you didn't know that a lawsuit was filed against you or that a judgment was entered, you're going to want to get information from your bank and then the courts about how the lawsuit was initiated, when it was filed, and how they allegedly served you. At that point, I recommend that you call our law firm right away because we can explain the entire process that's involved with trying to get the judgment thrown out. If we get the judgment thrown out, that would mean that the bank restraint needs to be lifted. And, if you don't take action quickly enough, the money in the account might be seized, and then you have an uphill battle trying to get the money returned from the creditor. So it's a very serious matter, and you want to make sure that you take action as quickly as possible to protect your hard earned money. Um, Additionally, if you do receive notice from your bank that your funds have been restrained, contact your bank and find out from them when they intend to turn the money over. Some banks have different procedures than others, and you may not even discover that your account's been restrained for a few days after it's actually been frozen. So you want to make sure that if there's a deadline looming, that you take action right away. And you don't want to hesitate whatsoever because once that money's gone, if you didn't challenge the judgment and if you take no other action, um, even if you had valid arguments to raise, you may be out of luck. So hopefully this information's helped you a little bit. If you have any questions or concerns, or if you've discovered that your bank account's been frozen, I really urge you to give us a call. We can ask you many more questions and explain the process in greater detail. Um, and we're confident that we can help you the way we've helped hundreds, if not thousands, of other people in New York State. We look forward to hearing from you and appreciate your time. Thank you.